Get ready for a cutting-edge innovation that will take wall protection to the next generation nanotechnology. Sinclair Nano Shield. A paint with advanced inorganic-organic hybrid technology that redefines wall coverings with unmatched performance. The fusion of inorganic nanoparticles with organic binders results in wall surfaces that stays fresh and clean longer. Inspired by the advanced automotive coatings, NanoShield uses its own technology to deliver similar durability and protection, uniquely tailored for home exteriors. What's more, its clear film with hybrid technology protects and preserves exterior paint's color. The clear film's hardness makes it hydrophilic, ensuring excellent dirt resistance and self-cleaning. Contributes to the air quality by reducing emissions, minimizing environmental impact, and lowering health risks. Non-toxic, hypoallergenic, and eco-friendly for diverse environments. Transform your walls with groundbreaking technology and exceptional performance. Sinclair Nano Shield.